Hello traders, this is Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, August 30th, 2011. I am back from a wonderful, relaxing, and adventurous trip to a national state park there in Michigan called Isle Royale. It's an island up there in Lake Superior in the UP, known for their wolves and great fishing. We did a lot of backpacking, hiking, canoeing, and camping. And I caught, I think, myself over 100 northern pike and some walleye and perch to go along with it. Oh, what a great time. A big shout out and a thanks to Scott for sitting in and doing some videos for us and doing the V newsletter, stock picks the last 2 weekends and helping out. Many thanks to you, Scott, who also is our futures and currency mentor. And he is my grandfather in the trading world, just to let everybody know. I was mentored by Dr. Jonathan Klein, and Dr. Jonathan Klein was mentored by Scott Stokes. And Scott is the one who does the mentoring for futures and currency for us. And it is fantastic to have this pedigree all packaged together in one group. Anyway, let's get going here on the indices. We have the Dow up only 36 points. It was up quite a bit more than that earlier in the session, up 0.3%. The S&P about the same. Nasdaq and Russell's up more than that. The Nasdaq up 0.6%. The Russell's up 0.5%. You'll see that the markets are moving still at this moment. The markets are going to close in about the next 5 minutes. So this is about where we're at. But the banks lagged. Financials lagged the broad markets all day long, down 0.7%. VIX down was upwards more than 2% there at some time. Gold up big, 3% up, and silver up also. US dollar up 0.33%, which is interesting because the markets are up. Usually when the dollar is up, the markets are down, and vice versa. Crude oil up 1.5%. Now we're looking at the Dow here. The Dow's at a support area 11, or a resistance area. It touched it and dropped right here at 11,635 and some change. And this goes back to some areas that we were looking at. Support here, support, we come across, and now it's acting as resistance. Go here to the S&P. You're going to see a few extra lines that I've drawn in here. Okay, this nice downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. We get this double bottom, W for winner. Boom, we break out. We do have a confirmation double bottom trend reversal pattern. But here's the issue. See these two red lines I've drawn? Those two red lines would be considered a big bear flag. If you don't know what a bear flag is, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, our website, or if you can just remember freetradingvideos.com, freetradingvideos.com, it'll take you to the same place. Click on Chart School. In Chart School, click on Bear Flag, and you'll see this big drop, 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 this little flag waving in the wind, but it develops at the low of the leg, not at the top, so it gives you a bear flag. So we have this line, we have this line, and with that, we have an issue. Matter of fact, what's pretty cool here, what you can do is, I'm going to delete this, go to this red line, I am going to copy it, okay? And make a second one and drop it right up there, here and here. Look how perfect that is. Nice parallel lines coming across. We're at resistance. If we make a new low going into tomorrow on the SPX, the S&P 500, meaning this, we go lower than 1195, this might be a good chance to go short because the next stop would be to this red line again. We will have some support here at the 1175, 1180 area for sure, but it looks like if we started dropping and if it doesn't bounce right there and breaks through that, it'd be this red line. This would be the best chance for a 1, 2, and 3 test breakdown. So whatever leg you get here, you could get right here. It could be a nasty little drop. It could really send us down here to these lower numbers here on the SPX. So that's something I'm watching for. Maybe start to look to do, if we do make a lower low than 1195, maybe start putting on some shorts. be just ever so lightly do so, and then if we do get a breakdown of a bear flag on volume, increase those short holding or those short positions, and be looking at that to make you some money to the downside. So that's what we're looking at. I do not see volume. Volume is not impressing me right here. If I go to the E-mini futures on the SPX, look at this. We have this big decline of volume on this rise of price action. So I do not like the volume that I'm seeing here in the markets. All right. So another thing, a lot of people will have no clue what I'm getting ready to bring up, but some of you are business owners and you will know. There's something called iTex. It's a bartering system. I'm now part of iTex bartering system. If some of you have always dreamed to finally get mentoring and to finally lock into that, here's your chance. You can do so through iTex. And or if you want the 201s, we'll do that to iText also. So there you have it. It's great to be back. Love technical analysis and looking forward to teaming up with you the rest of the week going into the future. Safe trading to each and every one of you out there, and the best trading is yet to come.